Hi, I'm Todd Brandon.
And I'm Callum Ryan.
We're about to show you our latest listing in Allenstown, and it has got a marvellous walk score.
This home is so close to Allenstown Square, Dan Murphy's and Allenstown State School,
as well as TCC and many specialty shops in Allenstown.
Let's go inside and take a look.
Always keeping us restless with the lights, keeping us restless with the lights.
This home is filled with character features, such as these LED light casement windows, your pressed metal ceiling, complemented by your horizontal tongue groove walls, and completed by this beautiful archway.
Pain inside your bones, all the cold inside your homes. You were never all alone, all alone.
What a super cute Queenslander with loads of potential and great walkability. If our team can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.